Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers basic points of PHP which will help you to answer MCQs of your online exams. Before starting, do watch my previous video on PHP, which is a detailed video on PHP introduction. Link of the video is given in the description box of detailed video on PHP. Now, let's get started with basic points of PHP. Point 1. PHP is a server scripting language. Server-side scripting means web servers are used to execute server-side scripting, whereas client-side scripting means web browsers execute client-side scripting. Second point is, it is a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. Here, dynamic web pages means a web page whose construction is controlled by an application server. Next point is, PHP is a widely used, free and efficient. Look at this basic example of PHP. The first line is opening of angular bracket, exclamation mark, doc type HTML. The first line of the code, that is doc type HTML, it is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. It is also used to inform a website visitor's browser that the document being rendered in an HTML. Next line of code is HTML tag, then opening of body tag. Here is the opening of PHP tag. Next line of code is echo. In coming videos, we'll also learn echo statement. In double quotes, my first PHP script. So here this statement will display my first PHP script. Closing of PHP, close of body and HTML tag. So output of the program will be my first PHP script. Next point is PHP code is executed on the server. As in the previous point we studied, PHP is server scripting language. That is why it is executed on the server. Next point is what you should already know. So it is very important that you should have a basic understanding of the following. That is, number 1 is HTML, number 2 CSS and number 3 JavaScript. So before learning PHP, you should know HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Next point is PHP is an acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor. It stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. Next point is PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. By term open source scripting language, it means it can be modified and shared because its design is publicly accessible. Next point is PHP is free to download and use. Next is what is a PHP file? PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. Next point is PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as plain HTML. So, as it is server scripting language, it is executed on the server and the output is displayed on the browser as plain HTML. Next, very important point is extension of PHP files is .php. Next point is PHP runs on various platforms. It runs on different operating system, example Windows, Linux and others. Next point is it is compatible with almost all servers, for example Apache and many other. Next point is it supports a wide range of databases, for example, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Next point, you can download it from the official PHP resource, that is www.php.net. These are all the basic points of PHP which will definitely help you to answer your MCQs in online exam. Stay tuned for coming videos on PHP. Do not forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.